Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. It's me again, Elaf. In today's episode, we will create a card. It will look like this in the end. We will not write wishes inside it, but we will write our names. You can gift it to anyone else you love, you want to gift, and many other ways are you to use it. So let's start. We will need all this stuff to create this. First of all, let me tell you how to create these hearts to stick. Use the scissors carefully. You got a heart. We have created it. Now let's stick them together. I have applied this design already on the paper. These two papers will be used for the background. We'll glue them together. Now how to create this bouquet. First fold this bouquet into half. The square paper, sorry. Now glue it. Now this is our background, the bouquet. Now let's create a bow. The card is ready. You can give it to your friends